Getting these bags filled up. I had this stuff from Dollar Store and put around a tree. Bought me some new gloves. Stuff like this. Some more new little pots. And hubby over here putting together my beds. This is the area right here we fixing to make into a herb garden. So what you doing, baby? You leveling it with that brick?
Yeah, I'm leveling it. Getting as much of this grass up as possible and all the little debris and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Smooth it out, make it nice and level.
You ain't gonna put a tarp down? The tarp, then the towel?
Tarp?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a tarp over it. So we're gonna be snapping these deck towels into here. He made this box for me right here. Y'all seen him putting this stuff together. And this metal one. So he been working. He been working, getting this herb garden for me. Because my plan is to come out the door, come straight here. I ain't got to go all the way out there to pick something if I'm cooking. It'll make me want to get out here more to use more fresh herbs and other things that I like to use when I cook. That oregano he took out. He kept some roots on it for me. That way I can replant it. Replant it in probably this metal bed right here. So it could keep, oh, that smells good. So it can keep going. But this is what I'm working on. Y'all see the video when I said I was gonna put the rest of those roses down here. That's what I did. Well, along with the dollar store stuff y'all just seen and the wagon. I put it all against this fence. All through here. The other side. I put the clamming rose over here. I moved this little guy over here. Now I have to put something in front of the tires. Oh, I think I know what I'm gonna put. You see that lion head over there? I think I'm gonna put that. Okay guys, he leveled it out. Real nice. Then we can move on to the next step. Go ahead. The towel. Mm-hmm.
How this works. Should be a male in and a female in, right?
Yeah, with the little metals. You ain't got a little metal thing on it? Yeah, it should be snap. Put it down there, snap it.
Let me slide it up there.
It's raining, y'all.
Snaps like that.
Yeah, it snaps in.
Just pull the glue. Hey, put that down.
As y'all know, it's been raining on us. So we in between everything trying to get all this done in between the rain. But let me show you guys so far what we got. I had this down. I'm gonna put some cardboard in there and then before I fill it. And he got this bed back there done. And I moved that plant from here to there. I still got the bags, so I'm gonna put them somewhere up in here. Get everything cleaned up, get all this cleaned up, get all this finished. I'm gonna finish across here and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to keep y'all up to date the way we at now. Say hey, JT. Say hi.
Hello.
But I got all these pots filled up. I got to get some herbs and seeds up in here. Oh, they are going off. Y'all don't even supposed to have no roosters. Look at all that noise. So he got to do it. They're taking turns. Well, we got everything turned off because of all this rain. But look at how pretty those. Whoa. Beautiful. JT, why you in that trash? Get out there. Get out. Y'all, my pomegranate is flowering. Let me show y'all the flower. This is the beautiful flower. Woo. We have me some pomegranates. Let's see what type of pomegranate this is. That's how they should look, y'all. I have it in this pot temporarily, probably for a year or so, and then I'm gonna put it in the ground. But I'm gonna have it here for about a year. In here, get everything cleaned up, get all this cleaned up, get all this finished. I'm gonna finish across here and all that good stuff. So when I come back, y'all, I should at least have that stuff done.